Okay. I want my streaks to be more streaky, more textury, but I think I'm going to wait until we build this up a little bit more so I can make decisions on where. As you can see, the trees have some lovely texture. I think I want them to have more texture as well. So we're gonna keep on keeping on. When you're working with a medium, your color lies to you, so keep that in mind. You have this fake white mixed in. It will dry clear, so your color will change when it dries. I learned that lesson when I was painting these walls. Like icing a cake. Okay, we're gonna let this dry. And then we're gonna add more texture. On these trees over here. Still wet right here, so we're gonna skip that. I really liked this color. Let's do some more of that. I just realized that I need to do something because the streaks are playing with my eyes, and I need to fix my eyes. Cassandra, what are you talking about? To be fair, it makes sense in my head. I have my light streaks. Some of them are going to be behind the trees and some of them are going to be in front of trees, depending on where they are. Right now, since I did those trees before I walked away and I put them in the front, now I'm like, ooh, where's the light in the front versus where's the light in the back, and to bring it back forward so that way I don't lose my perspective, I need to bring them back. So we'll have this one behind. I think in front of that one is fine. Behind. So then I'm gonna have to ignore that one. I have it behind. And the white's gonna dull my copper, so I'll have to fix that when I'm ready. And this one's on top of it. So it's bending that way. It's like weaving a basket. A basket of light. I don't know if I like that one. This will be in front. But this one I wanted in front. Which means it's probably in front of this one. Behind, behind. Behind, behind. I think. Okay, maybe. We'll see. I think that will help me a little bit better. Don't want to lose my perspective. Again, painting over on the left when I'm right-handed. Sometimes I just can't help myself.